Okay, we got a charger hooked up to it. Just reconnected the battery, and I guess here we go. It's about to be extremely fucking loud. Oh man, actually not really looking forward to this right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's probably not good. Alright, turn it off. Let's not do that. Well, needs to charge a little bit more, unfortunately, so we'll come back to this. Alright, we're back. It's a couple weeks later, probably like 3 weeks later. It was nice out for a couple of days, and then snowed and rained again, and so they put salt down and stuff like that. But actually, turns out my battery's completely shot. I tested it with like a BMW Midtronics tester from work, and yeah, trash. So we got a new battery, and we're gonna put the new battery in, hopefully start this guy up. So I am supposed to be 70 tomorrow, so I am very much looking forward to driving this thing. Haven't 100% decided if I'm gonna take it tomorrow. There's still a whole bunch of salt on the roads, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's install this battery. All right, so first things first, in the trunk, this is just a little clip you turn and it pulls out this whole entire panel here to get to the battery. Ignore all the fishing gear back here. But yeah, the battery's in the rear right of the trunk, and we're going to loosen the positive terminal, and then over here in the corner the negative terminal, take out the oh, it looks like this doesn't even have a tie down bar. Okay, so normally there'd be a tie down bar, but yeah, so we're going to just take those two off and pull the battery out. All right, so now we have the battery out of here. Anybody who's done one of these batteries before knows these are just absolutely so annoying and terrible to get out of here, because you're pulling this like 30-40 pound battery out of this little fucking corner. So damn near like blow out your shoulder every time trying to pull that battery out. But she's out of there, and oh, that actually doesn't look good. This is the first time I'm seeing any of this stuff, so I guess it's time to put the new battery in. This is a new one, right from my shop. 850, 90 amp hour, 92 amp hour AGM. So this is a little internal tie down that was in there, but there's no like, the top tie down was missing. So yeah, let's get the new one in there. All right, battery's installed. We got the positive side locked into the battery and the terminal tightened on. We got the negative side here on the battery tightened down, and we also have the like actual battery tightened in down there. So I guess let's start her up and see how this goes. Okay, it's about 6 o'clock. Here we go. It's about to be loud. Or not. Oh, there it goes. Needs gas. Thought I filled it up, I guess not. Oh yeah, she's a loud one. Yeah, we're gonna take her out for a little rip. Actually, let's. Everything looks pretty good. Running good. Sounds good. It's like she was being daily driven for the last 4 months. Yeah, so took it out for a drive and had to make a Chick-fil-A stop. Um, but things running amazing. I fucking love it. I have no complaints. I gotta still fill up the gas tank, which I'm not looking forward to right now. I think it's like 5:10 or something like that at the Shell near me. So yeah, good times. But yeah, it's a great success. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in a bit. Yeah, so we made it home. I didn't stop to get gas. I'm gonna do it in the morning. So I'm gonna take this thing to work tomorrow because it's supposed to be 70. But yeah, the maiden voyage of 2022 went well. Made a Chick-fil-A stop. And yeah, that marks, I guess, the first anything with the M3 for 2022. And I am stoked, to say the least, for all the shit I'm gonna do this spring, summer, and fall with friends and all that. So I look forward to this whole summer, and hopefully I'll see you guys along. Later.